Welcome to Kalbarri National Park, one of Western Australia's most stunning natural destinations. This incredible park is packed with dramatic landscapes, ancient gorges, and breathtaking coastal cliffs, perfect for adventure lovers and nature enthusiasts. Let's take you on a journey through the top highlights of Kalbarri National Park and what you need to know for an unforgettable visit. First on the list is the iconic Nature's Window. This natural rock formation perfectly frames the stunning views of the Murchison River Gorge. It's one of the park's most photographed spots, so make sure to bring your camera. The walk to Nature's Window is short and easy, making it accessible for most visitors. For those looking for a bit more adventure, head to Z-Bend Gorge. It's a spectacular section of the Murchison River, with deep red cliffs and striking rock formations. Follow the walking trail to the lookout, or if you're up for it, climb down to the river for a closer view. It's perfect for hikers and those who want to experience the gorge up close. One of the park's newest and most impressive attractions is the Kalbarri Skywalk. Perched 100 meters above the Murchison River, this suspended walkway gives you panoramic views of the rugged landscape. It's a must-visit for anyone who wants to see the park's natural beauty from a completely new perspective. Don't miss the park's coastal section, where dramatic cliffs meet the turquoise waters of the Indian Ocean. Check out spots like Red Bluff and Natural Bridge for incredible ocean views and stunning sunsets. The contrast of colors makes this area perfect for photographers. Tips for visiting Kalbarri National Park. Bring plenty of water, as the trails can get hot during the day. Wear sturdy shoes and sun protection for hiking. Visit early in the morning or late afternoon for cooler temperatures and the best light for photos. Kalbarri National Park is a place where nature's beauty truly shines. From the iconic Nature's Window to the exhilarating Kalbarri Skywalk, there's something here for everyone. Whether you're a hiker, photographer, or just love exploring stunning landscapes, Kalbarri will leave you in awe. If you enjoyed this guide, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to OziTraveler for more exciting adventures. Let us know in the comments which part of Kalbarri you'd visit first. See you in the next destination.